In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and export your data using Intuit's QuickBooks Online. Whether you're handling your own paperwork or managing finances for a business, this guide will make the process seamless and efficient. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the bank deposit section of QuickBooks. If this is your first time accessing this feature, it's part of the platform where you can manage your bank transactions and align them with your financial records. You can find this by navigating to the toolbar and selecting the Reconcile option. This is essentially your starting point for all things deposit-related in QuickBooks. Next, you'll need to make your way into the settings. It's typically symbolized by the little gear icon on the interface, usually located in the upper right corner. Clicking on this will open up a variety of options that allow you to customize and control different aspects of your QuickBooks account. Once you're in the settings, look for the option that says Export Data. This is the tool you'll use to download different types of financial information from your account. It's incredibly useful for keeping backups, moving information to different platforms, or simply analyzing your data in detail. Clicking on this will guide you to a new screen with further options. On this export page, you'll want to focus on two specific tabs. The first one is Lists. By clicking on Lists, you're opening a section where you can export crucial account details like your chart of accounts, customers, vendors, and more. This step is particularly important if you're looking to have a detailed overview or backing up all your account-related information. It provides you with a detailed file that you can keep safe or share with your accountant. After handling the lists, direct your attention to the Reports section. This area is pivotal for anyone looking to analyze financial performance or prepare for meetings. By clicking on Reports, you'll access a dynamic set of financial summaries and detailed data overviews that you can export. These are valuable for tracking progress, preparing taxes, or just maintaining a solid understanding of your business's financial health. Remember, while handling any financial software, it's crucial to double-check the data you're exporting. Make sure everything aligns with your physical records and that there are no discrepancies. This method of regularly exporting your data can save you a lot of stress by ensuring that your records are precise and accessible anytime you need them. That's our guided walkthrough on exporting in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found these instructions helpful. Including these steps in your regular financial routine can significantly enhance your bookkeeping efficiency. Thanks for joining me today. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out or explore more resources from Intuit.